Hello guys, welcome to in this videos. In this video I am sharing about spam folders. If you are search in emails, if you are all the emails or spam are here. If you search likes, names, dates, labels or etc and different types of you will be searched labels sorted important send schedules drop mails off. If you are sends prompts, all the things are available in this spam folders like search. If all the spam messages, mails are here, if any times dates older than weeks, older than days, older than 6 months. If you search all the things in spams, likes, etc, reels, Facebook, etc, all the spam folders are here. A list of searches are here. You will be easy to grow like freelancing mediums, Google Genius, welcomes, and all these films, messages, mails are here. If you find easily, you search the message. Spam folder are a most important folder in the mails. Many spam messages are here. If you search in spam folder like Facebook, all the messages are here. Thanks for watching.